Do you know how to properly clean your dog's ears? It might sound like a simple task, but there's more to it than meets the eye. It's not just about cleanliness, it's also about your furry friend's health. Imagine a world where your dog shakes its head no more, where the sight of the cotton swab doesn't send it running. This ideal world can become reality with a few simple steps. Step 1. Gather the necessary supplies. You'll need a good quality dog ear cleaner, some cotton balls or pads, and a towel. If your dog has long ear hair, you'll also need a pair of blunt-nosed scissors or a hair clipper. Remember, using human products can be harmful to your pet's delicate ears, so always opt for vet-approved solutions. Step 2. Make your dog comfortable. Create a calm environment. You might want to sit on the floor with your dog on your lap, or if it's a larger breed, have it sit next to you. Wrap the towel around its neck, not only to keep it snug, but also to catch any spillage. Step 3, it's time to inspect the ears. Gently hold the ear flap up and look inside. A healthy dog's ear should be light pink and clean. If you see redness, swelling, or dark discharge, it could be a sign of an ear infection. It's important to consult a vet if you notice these symptoms. Step 4, if your dog has excessive hair in its ears, it's time to trim. Using the blunt nose scissors or the hair clipper, carefully remove the hair. Be sure to only trim the hair you can see to avoid hurting your dog. Step 5, now for the actual cleaning. Soak a cotton ball or pad in the dog ear cleaner. Wipe the inner part of the ear flap and the outer part of the ear canal. Avoid going too deep into the ear canal, which can cause damage. You'll want to clean until the cotton ball or pad comes out clean. Step 6, give your dog a lot of praise and maybe a treat. This will associate ear cleaning with positive experiences, making future cleanings easier. To wrap it up, always use dog-specific ear cleaner and cotton balls or pads. Make your dog comfortable before starting and praise it afterwards. Inspect the ears for signs of infection, trim excessive hair if necessary, and clean until the cotton comes out clean. Remember, ear cleaning is not just about making your dog look good, but also about ensuring its health. Regular ear cleanings can prevent infections and keep your dog happy. And in the end, isn't a happy, healthy dog what we all want? Thank you for watching Mr. and Mrs. C's, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to be sure to not miss our new videos. Be safe and take care.